This is what the dome looks like on top of Mayon volcano. Greatly enhanced digitally. It doesn't even look like a dome. It's just crumbling mass of rock. Very sinister looking, but at the same time, very interesting for the viewers. And now you're about to witness a massive rock coming down off of that dome. And we're going to try to follow it here digitally with the camera. As you can see, the molten rock doesn't stand a chance against the hardened lava rock that has cooled down, and it just burst open. But now we're going to see a massive crumbling at the top of the dome, and big chunks of it are about to reveal to us how fragile all that material is in the face of the magma. There's liquid magma coming down on the left side, and then the whole wall just collapses in this rather dramatic view that we have here. And this sloughing off of all this material just goes on all night long and is very interesting. Of course, after there's a major collapse like we just saw, a huge cloud of smoke and dust and ash will rise up and completely block everything. And you wonder, what happened? Am I out of focus? And actually, it's just the smoke from that 13 kilometers away. And it's continuing to crumble and collapse off of the dome. But you can't see it so well now because of all of the smoke that has surrounded it. So I zoomed in again. Smoke is starting to clear up. And you can see big chunks there just coming off of the dome as the pressure from the magma increases. And here is my final chunk. This big old rock goes cascading down and, of course, breaks up as it reaches the bottom. And that's pretty much the end of it for this video.